Greetings, everyone. It's a pleasure to have our loyal subscribers back with us, and a warm welcome to our new viewers. Today, we're delving into a topic that's quite close to the heart: 6 signs your relationship is over. Recognizing these signs can be crucial in navigating your love life. We're about to provide you with insights that could potentially save you from heartache or help you make informed decisions. So, buckle up and stay tuned as we dive into these 6 signs that could indicate the end of a relationship. The first sign to look out for is a lack of communication. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, a bridge that connects 2 hearts. When that bridge begins to crumble, the bond weakens. Imagine a garden unattended, withering away without the nurturing touch of sunlight and water. That's what a relationship becomes without communication. Experts agree that a decrease in communication can signal a significant issue. So, if you find yourself in a relationship where communication has dwindled, it might be time to take note. The second sign is an absence of future plans. This could be a serious red flag. When you're in a thriving relationship, you naturally dream and plan for the future together. Whether it's talking about your next vacation or discussing your retirement plans, looking ahead is a sign of commitment. But if those conversations have stopped or never started, it could mean one or both of you aren't invested in the relationship's longevity. Remember, a relationship that has no future has no present. Signs 3 and 4 are constant arguments and no quality time. Let's start with constant arguments. It's normal for couples to argue occasionally, but when disagreements become a daily occurrence, that's a red flag. You might find yourselves bickering over the smallest things, and these arguments often lack resolution, creating a cycle of resentment and frustration. Now let's move on to the lack of quality time. It's not about the quantity of moments spent together, but the quality. If you're sitting next to each other scrolling through your phones, that's not quality time. True quality time involves meaningful interactions, shared experiences, and emotional connection. When these elements are missing, the relationship might be heading towards a rocky road. It's like trying to keep a plant alive without sunlight and water. It just won't thrive. These signs are often the most obvious, yet many people tend to overlook them. It's important to be aware and take action before it's too late. The final 2 signs are a lack of intimacy and emotional distance. These are the red flags that often slip under the radar, but they're critical indicators of a relationship's health. Let's talk about intimacy first. It's not just about physical closeness. It's about the emotional connection, shared experiences, and mutual understanding that bind 2 people together. When these elements start to fade away, it's a clear sign that the relationship is on shaky ground. And then there's emotional distance. This is when you or your partner start to pull away, emotionally. It's as if you're living in 2 separate worlds, even when you're in the same room. The laughter, the conversations, the shared moments, they all seem to evaporate, leaving a void that's hard to fill. These signs can be subtle, but they are very telling of a relationship's health. If you're feeling a lack of intimacy or a growing emotional distance, it may be time to reassess the state of your relationship. Recognizing these signs can be difficult, but it's crucial for your emotional well-being. Today, we've explored 6 signs your relationship might be over: lack of communication, no future plans, constant arguments, no quality time, lack of intimacy, and emotional distance. It's important to remember that acknowledging these signs is the first step towards healing and growth. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.